This is a green machine. This is one of two green machines that was actually dumped in the desert. I was able to use the parts from both to make one good one of these, but the other one I've already taken apart, and we're going to build us a bike. This is the rear section of the trike. We're going to chop that off basically and use that as a front fork. And this is the front section. We're actually going to flip this upside down. This is how it used to be. And this is how we're going to use it. And we'll chop off the wheel mounts for the front wheel because we don't need those. And then we'll weld the rear of the bike to the front. Then we're going to take off the wheel portions of the rear axle to use as a front fork, or to use as like the pivot point for the front fork. And then we bolt it up to the front. Alright, now we got us a little turning thing. Alright, now we've got that very poorly welded. I'm going to have to learn how to weld again and redo that. But we also have a fork with a little bump stop. So yeah, it hits that little thing and you can't turn too far. Ignore the tree weed in the background. Now we have to bend two pieces of 1-inch round steel to use to mount our axle. I'm using the tubing bender that I got for about $100. Alright, so that's our bend. Kind of weird, but we're going to cut it off about where that red spray paint is. Maybe too extreme of an angle. Alright, attempt number 2. So, after attempt number 2, I think that'll work. So like there-ish. Oh yeah, that's actually much better. I think it's gonna work. Let's go see. I think that'll do it. Alright, second axle. Or second, whatever I'm doing, I don't know. You know what, we're just gonna eyeball it. Alright, let's check that. Well, I didn't expect to get it perfect on the first try, but damn. We have our little front piece marked here so we can cut the holes for the actual little forks. Now the rear axle is not going to fit round tubing, it needs to be a square piece of tubing. So I have some 1.5-inch square tubing. That's what I'm going to mount this axle to. And now you see that if I put this 1-inch round into there, obviously there's no space for the bolts, so I'm going to notch the round tubing so that I can slide that in there, put the bolts through, and then I can weld the round piece to the square tube. Next is the seat mount. Easy enough, I just angled some steel and welded it in place, and then we welded this little piece of 1/2 inch solid between the two. The seat has a latch right here, and that just latches right onto it. Should latch in there. Just like that. Yeah. And that's it. It's late and I'm tired. I'm going to bed. So you be good while I'm gone, and I'll see you next time. Have a good week.